Hello students. Now as we have started the chapter that is metals and non-metals, now this is the part, it is uses of non-metals. We're going to study this part in this video section. Okay, so let us start with the uses of non-metals. Now non-metals, as you all know, they are found in the form of powder or in the gaseous state, so they are not used as metals are used. So let us see the uses of sulfur. Okay, sulfur, silicon, phosphorus, carbon, these all are non-metals. So let us see silicon. Students, silicon, it is semiconductor devices. It is used for making semiconductor devices, means it is used in making electronic devices. It is used in making computer chips, microchips, solar cells. It is also used in solar cells and in the manufacture of waterproof clothes, silicon, and the insulating materials, and many more uses of silicons are there. And next is the sulfur. Now sulfur is used as it is having a foul smell, like a smell of onion. So it is used as a fungicides. Okay, it is used as a fungicides, and sulfur is used in the vulcanization process to make the tires hard. It gives the hardness to the tires. And it is also used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid in the laboratory. As sulfuric acid is a king of acids, it is used in the manufacture of various things, so it is used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid also. Let us see the uses of phosphorus. Phosphorus is used in the making the matchboxes, as it is very flammable substance, so it is used in the formation of matchsticks. And it is also you can say phosphorus is used in the fertilizers also, phosphate fertilizers, and also it is used in the DNA, formation of DNA. Okay, DNA is a structure which is found inside the cell, and in fact inside the nucleus, and it is used to transmit the characters from one generation to another. So these sugar molecule by which the DNA is formed, they are linked with the phosphate, or you can say phosphate group. So phosphorus is used in formation of DNA also. Okay, and let us see the uses of carbon now. Carbon, it is used, the other forms of carbons are very useful, like it is exist in the form of diamond. It is used as a gemstones, making jewelries, in cutting, drilling, many things. Graphite is used in making the lead of the pencil, carbon. Okay, lead of the pencil, electrodes in the electrolysis process. And coke, the another form of carbon used in the manufacture of steel, right? And carbon black in the rubber industry, paint industry. Activated charcoal is used in the formation or in the purification of sugar, air, and water. Clear? Now next is the use of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in the manufacture of various things, like in the manufacture of urea. It is used in the field fertilizer as a fertilizers. Okay, and it is also used in the cleaning purposes, and it is used as a fuel in rockets, right? So it is used in many things. It's used in the hydrogenation process also, to make unsaturated compound to saturated compounds, right? And next is These all are the uses of non-metals. And next we will see the noble metals. Now students, noble metals are those which can found in the native state in the earth crust. Okay, native state means free state in the earth crust. They are unreactive, they do not react with each other. So they are used in many purposes like electroplating, or electroplating is the coating of materials, reactive materials by another native metals, that is electroplating. And they are also used for making jewelries and other electrical gadgets, right? Electrical wires. So like copper, silver, gold, mercury, iridium, palladium, platinum. Okay, these are the very common metals, or you can say noble metals, which we used. Now let us see the next topic of this, that is corrosion. Now see, as you are looking the chain over here, see this chain is getting corroded, right? Yes, it is reddish brown covering which is deposited on the chain, and that is unwanted material, and this is an iron chain. So this reddish brown material deposited on the iron is called corrosion. So what is corrosion now? Let us see. Corrosion is the process by which the materials such as metals are slowly eaten away when exposed to air and moisture. Another way you can say that the gradual reaction in which the deposition of unwanted substance takes place on the surface of the metal by the action of moist air, that is corrosion. Okay, and all metals get corroded, student, all metals get corroded. Now let us see the next part of this chapter, that is the how can the corrosion can be prevented. Now corrosion can be prevented by electroplating method, again I have told you earlier also, and it is also, corrosion can also be prevented by applying paint to the objects and by applying the coating of the objects, okay, and by galvanization. Now galvanization, student, is the process of coating zinc over iron objects, that is galvanization. And also alloying is the another method to save the metals, okay. That alloying may, what happens in alloying, that alloying the metals, the properties of metals enhances, and you can say that alloy is a mixture of two metals, two or more than two metals or non-metals, but not in fixed proportion. And to enhance the property of metals, alloying is very important. And in this, the alloys by which it is made up of, it loses all the properties of those by which the alloys is made up of, right? And the new properties are generated and the other properties of metals are lost. And alloying is done, like you can see the stainless steel in the market, and bronze, brass, these all are the alloys of one or the other metals. So alloys is used to make metals more resistant to attack by chemicals, atmospheric corrosion से बचाता है. It is also used to change the properties of metals in another way, right? So let us the list of questions I'll give you in the assignments. That's all of the today's video now. Thank you, students.